So I remember in GIJ or GIJ, let's say I have to close at 2. By 12, he'll be at the car park.
Really?
And my mate will go like, Charlie, why your guy, what's up?
A few moments later.
My partner is an over 30 years experienced journalist. He has never come out to defend me before.
Me beginning na me hu afia kunu na me si o aware wenko ba bia. Awarefo bebre wo hodoma enne nipa no ne spouse no o gina no so no they are ready to gain something else. Sa singer ton no koye no 4 times a ye bani ni nyina no e for fame. Mema ye Jimmy Fokke. Na bema no hwe bema na wo seso ne afia sabe oyo bia wo nanima nyame ama ne TV3 clear ekire or kakra or height bema no way 28 at say dot when mu ojira also ba ne afia me ni okoko ware afia no so bi catch us bra akoko ware ro be jaw and then the one who said bema no was supporting no. Hello, baby. I'll be able to check and see a name high exposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Afua Asantewaa singaton. Tonyum sa na futimi to no kukuru. Hey, Afua no di do ni kuru di do papa.
One time, one of the girls saw me bathing the mother.
Oh, mine!
And they were like, hey,
Really?
yeah, so
Oh my
we
God.
do stuff, but like I pointed out earlier.
Hey, you love
Yeah,
you must love
yeah, we were in a room one day. For a few seconds, she stepped out to one of the washrooms for like 5 minutes.
I was going to do a video.
Yeah. I told her I've missed her because.
Oh, hey. So I was coming to say something. You know, people are like, why is it that your husband follows you every?
Yeah.
We've been like that since
Forever.
from first day. So I remember in GIJ or GIJ, let's say I have to close at 2. By 12, he'll be at the car park.
Really?
And my mate will go like, Charlie, why your guy, what's up? And it's been so. We go for AFCON World Cup together.
Everything.
When I'm doing my events,
everything.
he has to handle the kids at home so that I drive to the venue.
Yes.
And even at home, the kitchen, the private room, when I'm on the seat, he's standing there. No breathing, please come for him.
No, but you two are basically like best friends.
Yeah. So that's when I go silent. He's not able to stand it because we are mostly together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
When we are beefing, it's terrible. We are both confused because we don't know where to go. I barely have friends, so I don't have friends.
Oh, really?
And he doesn't have friends too.
So you're both your best friends?
Yes. So if we have any gist, we just together.
The first person you're calling is, you won't believe what happened. Guess who said this? And then you're like, she was there.
And then sometimes we use our eyes.
And then you say everything you need to.
I think it'll be like,
Don't they say I don't pay I did do no more did do. Nah, to send you back a few moments later.
A few moments later.
My partner is an over 30 years experienced journalist. He has never come out to defend me before.
If yes, Bema no. One supporting no. Bema was supporting and they were supporting. And some fiaki cano to say who are part to say, we jab Bema no. I na me pese sa ko video by me bomb my actually memene.
Defended me, that including my partner. My partner is an over 30 years experienced journalist. He has never come out to defend me before. But during Singaton, he was able to stand in front of camera to say he's proud of his wife. What are you saying?
Afua. Amount for
Don't call my name. Asha, don't call my name. I'm serious here. I'm not kidding.
I know you are not kidding. I get you, sis.
So don't talk about sometimes you don't have to. You have to open. I don't have anybody to. People know the truth. People will call me if I am saying ya okani no kre nansu Johnny Bibi and you see these same people.
I think her network.
And you have intelligent. renowned people around you in utter a word. My father should come and do it, or my mother.
That hurts.
Who should come? Asha, are you my relative?
Yes. Yes.
Are you my relative?
Yes.
Oh, wow, wow.
But I think
Asha, are you my relative?
Yes, you know. Yes.
Asha, are you my relative?
Yes, please.
How
Express
many
yourself.
times do you call me? How many times do you check on me to make sure that things are done the right way?
Afia,
Thank you. Dynamite.
are we coming to say this thing over here?
And at this moment,
Don't give Asha, I am pained and I'm not hiding it. I am pained. If I die today,
I
Asha,
get it.
Asha, if I
get
die
it.
today, you are the same people that will come and say, oh, this girl, no, you evoke outspoken power. Oh, this girl, no, you say, see, I speak to people in my DM.
Yeah, phantom ticket. Yeah, phantom ticket for the global
I am not
women
going to,
outstanding.
no, this is not about, Asha, clear off. This is not about ticketing. It's not about money. Like, F you. It's not about money.
Hey.
It's not about money, Asha. Don't use my emotions for business.
I'm not using your emotion.
But Asha, listen. When someone is not in the mood, I don't think you should provoke it. You know, get what I mean?
I'm not provoking it.
And I do understand what you're trying to say.
If I want to promote an event, I don't chase clouds. I don't.
You said something, say, who Afua is something, but at the end of the day, Afua too is human. Remember that. It's not about the female.
Imagine.
Hey, ewiase wa ho. De bia me ka bibi me se o ma me wu ana wiase asa. Me ma me ti ase o ma me afutuo miensa. Na sa afutuo miensa no aboa mo wiase. Ase Kofi. Enfa oba o se wa na wo do no se nsa ne ono do. Enkwase asem. Manye bi da. Ase Kofi enkofa oba woni ne beda na nim se won no because oka hom kra ebe chew ade ba ko katu ato se Kofi emma oba ni suo ensofa mo wonti sa de amiensa we na bitufo me begini na me hu afia kunu na me si o aware we nko ba bia hwe awarefo bebre wo ho no ma enne nipa no ne spouse no o gina no so no they are ready to gain something else. When you say Afia on, or you smart, or you're very smart, or who said the guy was what a journalist. When it comes to PR and Afua or a junior person this in this one, sa singer to no kwaya 4 times a you banning ni no for fame. Or we no nya chance no Canada. Na ni kuru so follow ye na obodo Canada no afa na Afia hu say be man so on support no member ye Jimmy Fokin and then the one who say be man won support no what you say na be man no hwe be man na wo seso ne Afia sabe oyo bia wu nanim a nyame man TV3 clear actually or kakra or height Benman way 28 years say dot when him ojira also bani Afia me ni okoko ware Afia no so be catch us bra akoko ware ro be jaw me na make me hu ya me catch us we ko ware be jaw wantie wako ware na wudi na chi na mu be no mo ye ade wo we su na ya ni oye follow back husband wudi follow back esa no ese Jimmy no but obani tunu atiem ade a Bible ne sanka be ma na betunu atiem no one day obani tu an otiem omo ye program kra wa TV so a obani sa na okope no wudi say spiritual implications wo dem bia wo yine be bibia wo be follow no it means say you have given your birthright to your wife. That leadership na nyame de ma no, wo de ama wo yere. Ye besi ha no because ade na wo yere na Afia wa. He ema yes smarter. Oba wo ohu daache from ene o. Be ma hu ene from ene. Enti na be ma ye hu oba sene hu ani edimirika no. Obansa no oba no beda no calculate ebi okra no mpa obo no beda because onim say ochina no obenya bibi afi ho bo ma de gimie ye hu oba no sere ho a se oba no ne suban ye ne akowura mu zurudu eno ne ye ne sa na adam wo ye ma aduaba hwe se aduaba we ade ebe na we akire wo se makodi eno ne ye gimie no because afia kunu no minim ye ti okoware afia for what Oba we hu se woba we onyesko be jawo ene hwe nsem okeka eto so wose wo hwe no wose wunika pre wo ba Canada ono ma sika ono hwew se na wo kwa kom dew ogu anim ase wof wo hu awie ye awia se afatu ya hofo emema na muhu enania wo kakra nti ukoware oba no ye careful your presence does not determine your future. And now for bar or door for your present in future no eba na ono situation no change ya obejawo a simple calculation what you say enti ade na sini de it was bound to happen mamu nka say and then afia or yade no before one wa calculate be man no jimi wan no no ka bibi na si ye na ne ebesini de yesi de da Singaton no eno de akotena Canada no me se dey bi me hwe video na wo dane hu se na ne me se afia for so de ankom ntesa me ekofi nti me yeso afia ba afia we de o ye afia pa wo ye afia wo ye bukata afia enti mama na mo ware me producer ka ho mo ko ware am to mo bo na mo make sure say wo ba na mo benya no odo for who you are enye sabe ni baby anase muabi ababoa no anase menene na maye eno de enfa nware aware no start from the heart na koti anse na ni naba ba ye de jimie ti start from ani no ye de rock manim se wani start ya wani ne hu afefade o ebe rock manim awie no na niema esa nka wo consider no want be consider wo hu afia tuntum na no se me kware no papa short man o kware tall girl ebede na fa he ne asia na asi no ha expose GHFM Bruce subscribe share me to announce akabe manuasi